Today's been a very full day. Sorry for the late upload. It's just been a very full day. Let's see. I did two really cool things today. One of which you're seeing right now, and that was removing two little notches from my van. Larry did one, I did the other one. You couldn't see it because there you go. But I learned how to use a grinder tool, which was kind of sort of cool. And then the other really cool thing is, that's the other piece that you're seeing right now. It's the, I got to weld. Larry has this tiny little project of signs that he's doing for his dance studio in Colombia. Part of the backing is made out of metal. Now, I wasn't planning on, or we weren't planning on doing any welding for my build. So I was kind of sort of disappointed because one of the things that I actually wanted to learn from Larry was how to weld. Now, mind you, in 8th grade, I remember doing a little bit of welding, but you know, that was like fucking 40 years ago. So I was kind of sort of excited when Larry told me that he has the equipment for welding. I was like, can you teach me how to weld? He's like, yeah, sure. I was like, yes, get to learn how to weld. And like a week and a half ago, you know, we're looking at the build, and he says to me, we're not going to do any metal work, Miles. It's just not going to happen. I'm like, oh, come on, dude. Oh, I want to play with some metal. As it turns out, we will end up doing metal work for version 2 of the build, and that's adding a tank, a diesel heater tank to the bumper, and actually making the bumper into a diesel tank, a 10 or 12 gallon tank, which I think is kind of sort of cool. Anyways. But that will require actual welding work, so I'm looking forward to that. But today I got to weld. It's MIG welding, which is the simplest of the kinds of welding, and it was done outside. I had fun. It was so cool. I was terrible at it, but I finally got to weld. It was way cool. It was cooler than I thought it would be, and much easier. But I have so much to learn, and I'm looking forward to it. Things are moving along. I'm shooting episode 6 right now, so I have to get right back to it. I will shoot episode 6 today and tomorrow. So you'll see episode 6 probably next Thursday, if all goes well. Episode 7 will get shot almost immediately right after that. And episode 8 right after that one, so it's right back into production. So there you go. I'm going to be a little delayed with episode 8, but hopefully it will get shot. Episode 8, 7, and 8 actually may change positions. Episode 7, or what was planned was episode 7 would be the build for the kitchenette and the cabinetry and all that stuff and the bed. But that may get shifted because the head will be in place, and that means that the vehicle's ready to go. So episode 8, which was scheduled to be the test overnight in Warrenton, that's going to get shifted so that I can get right back into shooting schedule, and we need to shoot what will become episode 7. So the rest of the world will see that as 7 and 8. You folks will see it as 7 and 8 in the order I just talked about. That's enough for today. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your time. And more important than that, thank you very much for watching this stuff, because I know it might be a little tedious and a little boring, but slowly but certainly we're getting there. I need to get out of here inside of 3 weeks. Alrighty, kiddies. Thanks a bunch. Look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.